Okay, so special products. As we're going through, this is the same pattern process that you would have seen in 090. We would have gone through and distributed, then foil, and then again the special products, etc. So it's the same thing we're going to do here for radix. We'll also do it for the complex numbers when we get there. This is a square of a binomial. These are both squares of binomials. When you multiply these out, generally they are perfect square trinomials, meaning in 3 terms. If you take and you square this and you square this, you're going to miss that middle term. This is one of the things I've been harping on you most of the semester. So we're going to need to do it here. We're going to need to do it for complex numbers. We're going to need to do it for square root property, completing the square. So we have to get this taken care of now. So what I need you to do is when you see this, realize that that outer exponent tells you the number of times you have that base times itself. So this really is representative of this. If there was a 3 there, you'd need another one. If there was another one, you take the 2 of these, multiply together, take the result times the third. You can FOIL, you can box, double distributive. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times root 3. That 2 times the coefficient. So 2 root 3. That's the same thing here. And then positive would be a positive. Square root of 3 times square root of 3. Square root of 9. I almost didn't give myself enough room. These are like terms here. Okay? So we're going to have 4 square root of 3. And we have 4 plus that. Square root of 9, we can evaluate as 3. Well, we combine like terms. Be mindful. We cannot combine these 4s. This multiplication takes precedence. But we can combine these. So I can have 7 plus 4 root 3. I could also have the reverse, 4 root 3 plus 7. With this, again, get in the habit, recognition that we have to rewrite this. But as you do rewrite it, be mindful where that radical ends. It ends over the x. Don't include the item that follows it. Otherwise, you change the problem. So coefficient times coefficient. 7 times 7 is 49. Remember that it's not 49 and all of a sudden plus. It's still a product. 7 times 7. Square root of x times square root of x. So square root of x squared. 7 square root of x times negative 5. Coefficient times coefficient. So 7 times negative 5 is negative 35 times square root of x. When you do this, what you'll see is this multiplication is there. It's the same. So I know I'm going to have another one of those. Negative 35 root x. 5 times 7. Negative 5 times negative 5 is a positive 25. Simplify where you can. Power matches index. This is going to be 49x. Negative 35 minus 35 is negative 70. Square root of x plus 25. Okay, so we don't have any like terms, so we can have any order of that trinomial. So I'm going to give you your try number 3 here, and we'll come back with that clip. So give that a shot, and we'll see you in the next clip.